Welcome to another how-to video. How to delete Brawl Stars account step-by-step guide 2024. In this video, let me show you how you can delete your account in Brawl Stars. So let's begin by opening your Brawl Stars on your device. After that, go to the three lines over here and head to settings. Now click on help and support. On this page, go to account. Then on the top, you can see this chat icon. Click that one. Right here, you can now find request deletion of your personal data. Tap on that. Then just simply click delete my data. And here, select do you want to delete this game as your response. From here, just click I agree to delete my data. Then tap on delete account. And there you have it. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.